Are you looking for a way to set up a custom password on your iPhone notes? Then this video is just what you need. In this easy-to-follow tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a secure and custom password for your important notes in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow along in this step-by-step tutorial to learn everything about setting a custom notes password on an iPhone. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down a little bit and tap on Notes. Once you are on this screen, you will see that there is an option called Password. So go ahead and tap on that. As you can see, I have two different accounts, so if you also have two different accounts, select one or both from iCloud or on my iPhone, where you have your notes. I'm just going to select iCloud. As you can see right now, it is using my device password, but if you want to use a custom, more secure password for your notes, simply tap on the second option. Use custom password. So all you have to do now is enter your custom password here and then enter it again to confirm it. You also have the ability to add a little hint if you think you'll forget your password. Once you typed that in, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. And now you have successfully set a custom password for your notes. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.